Solar System Installation Training Program, presented by LifeBridge Foundation. Dear friends and supporters, LifeBridge Foundation is proud to introduce our solar system installation training program designed to equip individuals, especially youth and job seekers, with practical skills in renewable energy. In today's world, electricity challenges and rising energy costs have made solar energy one of the most valuable and sustainable solutions. This program aims to empower participants with hands-on technical knowledge to install, maintain, and troubleshoot solar power systems. Objectives of the program: to provide practical skills in solar panel installation, to promote renewable and clean energy solutions, to create employment and self-employment opportunities, to support communities facing electricity shortages. Training highlights: participants will learn basics of solar energy and how it works, types of solar systems on-grid, off-grid, hybrid, solar panel installation techniques, wiring, inverter and battery connections, system maintenance and troubleshooting, safety procedures and tools handling. Wir all can join: youth and students, electricians and technicians, job seekers and daily wage workers. Anyone interested in learning solar technology. Opportunities after training: work as a solar technician, start your own small solar installation business, freelance or work with solar companies, support your community with affordable energy solutions. Support and participation: we humbly request your prayers and financial support to help us continue empowering lives through skill-based education. Your support can help us provide training materials, tools, and opportunities for deserving individuals. Closing message: together, we can bring light into homes and hope into lives through renewable energy. Let us invest in skills that not only provide income, but also build a sustainable future.